Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to perform return and dispose operations in bulk with all the details. First, we need a list of products we'll be disposing and returning. This list must include SKU and quantity information. I'll obtain this list from Bookz Pro. I've created a sample filter for you. I plan to dispose of products with ASR over 3 million, inventory age over 45 days, and prices below $10. After applying the filter, when I go to the Reports section and click on the Create Inventory Reports button, it shows me the selected parameters. Among these, live quantity and SKU are important for me, so I remove the rest to keep the file neat. You can leave them if you want, but I prefer to remove them to keep the file clean. Then I click on the Create Report button. You can track the status of the report you've created under the Reports Inventory Reports section. Once the report is ready, I download it by clicking on Download button. We navigate to the Amazon page and click on the Manage All Inventory button. From there, we select any product, click on the Action on One selected section, and then click on the Create Removal Order button. We click on the button at the top right of the screen. I'll leave the link to this page in the description so you can access it directly on Amazon by clicking on it. First, we need to download a template. So we click on the Download Template button located there. We click on the Enable Editing button in the downloaded file. It's important to save the file as a TXT file as mentioned in the instructions. You must read the Removal Data Definitions section carefully. There are mandatory fields if you're going to return, but many fields are optional if you're disposing. There's a liquidate option here, but Amazon doesn't allow this process. Today, I'll be disposing some items. If you want to return, you can follow the instructions here. There's an example here if you'd like to take a look. The section we'll be filling out is the Removal Request section. You need to give a name to the merchant removal order section that doesn't exceed 10 characters. I'll write disposal in the removal disposition section. I'm not filling out these sections because they're necessary for returns. The important part for me is here. I'll extract the information from the downloaded file and input it here. I'm doing it quickly for you. You can also enter 0 for unsellable quantity. I've created my file. Now I'll save this file as a TXT. I'm selecting the tab delimited option. Then I click on OK and Yes buttons. I return to the page where I downloaded the file. Now I'm moving on to the second step and uploading the prepared file here. I refresh the page. There's a summary here. Let me check this one for you. I had selected liquidation in this file, and it gave a warning, liquidation is ineligible in your marketplace. The file upload is completed. Let's check the report. It says removal order was created. Let me check on Amazon as well. Look, a removal order has been created on Amazon too. This is the end of the video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for listening and hope to see you in the next video.